The MOUNTUP MU0062 TV Wall Mount offers an ultra-slim and discreet design, sitting just 1.3 inches from the wall when retracted, which helps it blend seamlessly into your living space. With full motion capability, this mount allows a 10-degree tilt and a 45-degree swivel, providing the best viewing angles and reducing glare significantly. This versatile mount supports a wide range of television sizes from 26 to 60 inches and is compatible with VESA patterns up to 400 by 400 millimeters. Constructed from heavy-duty alloy steel, the MU0062 ensures sturdy and safe support for televisions weighing up to 88 pounds. Installation is made easy with the included detailed manual, bubble level, and pre-labeled hardware kits, as well as cable ties for neat cable management. It is important to note that this mount is not suitable for Samsung's 32-inch frame TV due to non-standard VESA holes.